Hey guys, today I'm doing a get ready with me video. From my saree, makeup, shoes, jewelry, everything will be there in this video. So this is the final look. If you're interested, let's jump right into the video. To begin with, I'm gonna tie my hair back and I've already moisturized my face. So after moisturizing my face, the first thing I like to put on my skin is primer. It evens out the makeup and it covers pores and uneven skin. So I'll be looking into this mirror during the video. Then I'm gonna use Urban Decay color corrector. I will use it under my eyes to color correct the skin tone. Look who's here to say hi, and he's trying to convince me so that he can stay in the room. So I'm trying to convince him to go out and he finally does. Using my fingers to blend the color corrector properly into my skin. So you don't have to fully blend it, leave a little bit of orange color, this is what we are after. So the next step is foundation. I'm using MAC foundation. I have taken one pump of it and then mixing it with the BB cream from Bodyshop for the perfect color. And using my fingers to spread it all over my face and neck. So using this flat buffing brush for the flawless application of foundation on my face and neck. So don't worry too much about the under eye orange tone because we will be using concealer to cover this area. Make sure you apply foundation properly on your neck as well because otherwise it looks really bad. The next step is really important for the natural finish look. I use warmth of my hands to set the foundation and then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer for the under eye coverage. You can use brush to blend it or I'm gonna use my fingers for the perfect finish. And then I'm gonna use setting powder to set everything. I'm using MAC loose powder. And then using a fluffy brush to set the concealer and foundation on my face and neck. So now let's move on to brows. So before doing any eye makeup, I like to cover my eyelid. The NYX Contour Stick, I'm using the lighter shade. And that really highlights all the colors I put on my eyes. So make sure it is blended properly for the flawless eyeshadow application. And I'm using my fingers to blend it. So first I'm going to use this burnt orange brown color and I'm going to use it on the crease and on the outer corner of my eyes. So use a blending brush to apply it on your eyes. So one very important tip is if you're applying makeup, use as little product as possible in one go and deposit it eventually on your eyes or on your face. Because this way it is easier to go back, correct your mistakes and less chances of disaster happening. And then I'm gonna move to this little darker shade. Use it on the outer corner of my eyes and very close to the crease. I never do my eyes one by one. So I keep on applying the same amount of makeup on both of my eyes so that I know where to stop. So while doing eye makeup, take your time and blend as much as possible. Then I'm going to use very small eyeshadow blending brush and blend all the eyeshadows so that there is no crease. So now come the hardest part. I'm going to use this black color and I will make sure that I stick to my eyelid or even very small section of my eyelid I'm gonna cover. Otherwise, if you go beyond that, it looks really bad. Especially I have gone through it. So I don't want any disaster happening today because I don't have much time. So I will make sure I do it very slowly and very less black color on my eyes. And then I'm blending the black color to make sure there are no harsh creases on my eyes. Doing the same on my other eye. So when it comes to applying darker shades, make sure you build gradually, cover small sections in one go, otherwise it is very hard to revert unless you are a pro. And then I'm gonna do is blend, 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 and more blend. Just trying to sound a little less annoying because otherwise I'm just telling you the same thing. It's blend your eyeshadow as much as possible. Then comes the fun part. I'm gonna use this green color and just put it on the center of my eyelid, or I would say I will try to cover the eyelid but highlight only the center part of the eyelid. So you can use any color. I picked green because my jewelry and belt is gonna be of green color. And then repeating the same on the other eye. So now I'm gonna move to eyeliner. Eyeliner is really important. I will be going for falsies and that makes it more important. So I'm starting from the outer corner of my eyes and then moving towards the inner corner. While doing the middle section and the front, which is the inner corner, I like to stretch my eyes a little bit. It makes the whole application very easy and flawless. So as always, use small strokes while applying eyeliner. That way it's under control and it's easier and flawless to apply. So here I'm using NYX sketch eyeliner. It's so easy to apply and it's not messy. And now I'm using my Kajal pencil and using it on my lower lash line. I don't want to go for the very harsh dark black color on the lower line. So I'm just highlighting eyes and making them more prominent. Now I'm using the same green eyeshadow which I applied on my eyes. With the angular brush, I'm going to use it on the lower lash line just to add a little bit of glamour. And now I don't know why I just thought of opening my hair and see how do I look, and then okay, let's go back to makeup. That's funny. So now I'm gonna move to the fake lashes and I'm gonna use the glue, apply it on the lashes and leave them for some time and carry on with the makeup. And next I'm gonna use bronzer. I'm using angular brush to apply it. Eyelash glue is still drying. In the meantime, I'm gonna contour my nose and I'm using NYX Contour Stick, and as usual using my fingers to blend it and then using the lighter shade to highlight my nose. And my eyelashes are almost dry, so I'm gonna proceed with sticking it on my eyes. So I have done a full detailed tutorial on how to apply fake lashes. In case you're interested, link should be somewhere on the screen. Also, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. It's in Hindi on my Hindi channel, in case you're not aware. Don't worry about the white glue showing, it will disappear soon it dries. So now is the time to blush. So I'm using this brush and apply blusher very slowly on my cheeks. Don't forget to tap off the extra color while you apply the blusher. Do you ever wonder how these celebrities have such a glow on their face? It is because of this. So I'm going to use highlighter on my cheeks. Blend it nicely for the flawless finish. and then brows, nose and chin. So moving on to mascara, for the dramatic look, I'm using it on the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna use this beautiful pinky lip color. My sister-in-law gifted this to me and I totally love it. Since we are going for the green kind of smoky eye look, so I want to keep my lips pinkish neutral. Don't want to go very heavy on the lips, and I'm using this very thin brush to apply it as an eyeliner, as a lip liner as well, and then I'm gonna fill using my lip brush. So our makeup is done. As usual, I'm gonna leave my hair loose and see how do I look. So this is the complete makeup look. Green eyes and very neutral lip color and light makeup. I didn't go very crazy with the makeup look. And now let's move on to the saree. Before that, my son is back. My cutie. So I'm gonna wear my heels. It's important to wear your heels before you start tucking your saree. And then deciding the length of my pallu and just tying the saree in a normal way, making pleats. This is how the pleats look, very beautiful. And this flowy look is because of the fabric of the saree. It is georgette. Since I will be dancing a lot in the party, so I'm making sure that I use safety pins properly so that there are no chances of any accident happening. So when it comes to makeup, we say blend, blend, blend. And when it comes to saree, I'm gonna tell you pin up, pin up, pin up. As many pins as you can so that you are very comfortable and move freely in your saree. Instead of the loose pallu, I'm going for the gathered look, and I'm not liking this lace, so I'm gonna hide it, fold it inside, and then I'm gonna use my beautiful belt to keep my saree in place. And then don't forget the safety pin to keep the pallu on your shoulder. And this is how my saree looks, very comfortable, nice. And let's move on to jewelry. Let's pose again after wearing jewelry. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. Do let me know what do you think of this look. I'm totally in love with this look. And for the blouse, as usual, I'm wearing my office blouse, which I wore in so many videos you might have already recognized, and I think it is going very well with this saree look. If you loved this look and found this video useful, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye!